So hi, didn't see you again. I like dogs, also like nature. Let's go and see some of it. Hi, I'm Jona from the Usual Ones, emerging from Branton's rich tapestries. We're here today to look at these things: leaves, paths, and fields. We're going to look at fields as well. This is one of my favourite spots in the woods. Grow well, old friend. I lived here, I grew up, it's alright. There's lots to find. Come and look at this tiny little bug house. Bugs spend most of the time in here, unnoticed. Teeny tiny little houses. That's amazing. So small. Get away back. So when I'm not recording, I usually just spend a bit of time bird spotting. There's one. Do a bit of tree spotting. There's one as well. Found it. We also find some dangerous things in the forest which we don't want to see. Look at that. Awful. Absolutely terrible nettle. We don't like nettles. Nettles sting. Don't touch them. They hurt. We have electric trees too. And that's it, really. So, good night.